Black beer.
Argon.
Let me pet you once. Today I'm going to go around Bratislava to show you Devin Castle. Look, there is Bratislava Castle, which has 4 towers and look like an upside down table. Unfortunately, we didn't have tickets, but we got on the bus to go to the Devin Castle, which is about 15 stops away. It takes about half an hour to get from the city center to Devin village by bus number 29, where Devin Castle is also located. In Germany, if you get on the train or bus without a ticket, you will be fined 60 euros. I just hope I'm lucky here and no one comes to check the tickets. Let's see what happens. We have to get off here.
Devin Castle. Devin Castle.
Yeah, we were lucky. There was that bus stop we just got off, and this side is the castle, about a 10 minutes walk. What a cool weather. I get wet, but I enjoy it. Whew. This is the entrance to the castle. Up there is the castle, and on this side is the village of Devin. Bratislava. There is also a museum here. Yes, you have to buy a ticket here to visit the castle. The ticket price is 8 euros per person. Are you enjoying this rainy weather like I am? But I got wet. There is also a small pond below the castle. It is beautiful. Look this way. Look at that cargo ship. The wind is very strong. You are so beautiful. Dance a little for my YouTube friends. Let me pet you once. Let me pet you once. There is Devin village.
Hello. Thank you. Name?
Argon.
Argon.
Yes.
Argon. 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 Bye bye. Bye bye.
I arrived at Devin village. The man we saw with his puppy was also from this village. He was kind. This is the bus stop. The only problem is that I don't see anywhere to buy tickets here, and we still have to smuggle ourselves onto a bus and go back to the city center. The bus is coming. I have to get on it. Yes. Let me film this village for a bit longer. It was so cool. Old houses still feel good. That's Bratislava Castle. Our hotel is there. Yeah, our hotel is there. And this is Danube River. And that is Bratislava Castle. The weather got very cold. Let me tell you a secret about this black bear.